Dear students, this is our maths teacher, 11th standard mathematics, continuation of functions and relations. Now today we are going to define a new function that is called the composition of function. Let f from x to y and g from y to z be two functions. Then the function h from x to z defined as h of x equal to g of f of x for every x belongs to x is called the composition of f with g and is noted by g composite f. Okay, so how it will be your question? Define composition of functions. So let f equal to 1 comma 2 3 comma 4 and 2 comma 2 and g becomes 2 comma 1 3 comma 1 and 4 comma 2. Find g composite f and f composite g. You have the map. Okay, so here you know this is a domain and codomain, domain, codomain. Sometimes it is called a range, right? So for g composite f, okay, for g composite f condition, the range of f should be in our domain of g. That is, range of f is contained in g. Okay, it should be subset of here. Like that, your f composite g means range of z should contained in domain of f. Okay, so that is a condition for g composite f and f composite g. Now we are proving what is g composite f and f composite g. G composite f of 1. So where I am selecting the number, the domain of f. So domain you have 3 numbers. So I am finding 1, 2, 3. So G composite f of 1 can be written as G of f of 1. G of f of 1. So f of 1 value is given by 2. G of f of 1. So f of 1 value is given by 2. So G of 2 answer is 1. So the f of 1 from f, G of 2 from G. Okay, so you can see your f of 1 tends to 2 here. F of 1 tends to 2 and G of 2 tends to 1. So this is a way you have to find the composition value. So G composite f of 1, 1. G composite f of 2, again 1. And G composite f of 3, again it is 1. So all are 1. Okay. No, G composite f of 3 is, here it is 4, 4 tends to 2. So these are the values I can given you. G composite f of 2 is 1, G composite f of 3 equal to 2, right? So you can write the values. Like that you can find f composite G. That is your part. You have the answer here, right? So that is your G composite f is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Like that your f composite G 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 2. So this is your answer. Now the next one will be again the same type of question. You have f value as well as g value. Find g composite f. Can you find f composite g? What you have to find? F composite g we have to find. So how to find f composite g? Your f, again I have given you the map, but the textbook you don't have a map, right? So the domain of range of f is 4 comma 5, that is in the domain of your g. So g composite f is possible and the range of g is 1 to 4, but here you have 1 2 3. So f composite g is not possible. Okay, so we cannot define, right? F composite g we cannot define because 1 to 4 is not a subset of your x, right? We will see the detailed proof. Since the range of f is contained in the domain of g, so we can define g composite f. Your f you have the numbers 1 2 3 again. So that will be g of f of 1. Your f of 1 value is 4 and g of 4 value is 1. Okay. Like that your g composite f of 2 is g of 5 and g of 5 value again 2. And g composite f of 3 is g of f of 3, that is equal to g of 5, that becomes 2. So g composite f I completed. And f composite g, as I explained earlier, the range of g is not contained in the domain of f. 1 to 4 is not in your x. Therefore, f composite g is not defined. Okay. And you have one more note. Composition of function is not commutative. You know commutative is nothing but f composite g is not equal to g composite f. Now we completed the numbers. Now in terms of functions, let f and g be two functions from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 4 and g of x equal to x square plus 3. Find g composite f and f composite g. So how it will work? Suppose you have g composite f, how to prove that one, or how to find the value is x tends to f. First we are taking x in terms of f, so that is f of x, and that f of x going to inside of g, that becomes g of f of x. So what is g composite f? First you have to take x inside of f, that is f of x function you have to take, substitute in g. Substitute in g. This is not a easy question, so you have to listen carefully. G composite f of x, that you know, that is nothing but g of f of x. Your f of x value is given by 3x minus 4. Okay, so the inside of g you have 3x minus 4. So what is the meaning of g of 3x minus 4? You should know the function of g. What? Your g function. G will give the square of the function plus 3. So inside suppose you have 2, it will be 4 plus 3. Inside you have 3, 9 plus 3. So it is clear. So to find g of 3x minus 4, you should know the function definition, x square plus 3. So I am replacing in the x by 3x minus 4. So that your answer is 9x square minus 24x plus 19. Okay. So like that we are going to find f composite g also. F composite g, again the same process. X tends to g and g of x tends to f. So finally you will be getting f of g of x. So f composite g is f of g of x, that is f of x square plus 3. So what is the function of f? It will give 3 times the bracket value minus 4. It will give 3 times the bracket, whatever you have, it is 3 times minus 4. So the final answer 3x square plus 5. Okay. So thank you for continuation. You follow the channel.